Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Reel token, R-E-E-L. The Reel token ticker symbol is R-E-E-L-T. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, new project alert. On Mexc Global's Twitter, it was just announced 23 hours ago, that this token, the Reel token, will be listed soon on Mexc Global. So it doesn't give it an exact date yet. It says stay tuned. So if you follow their Twitter at Mexc_global, you will see exactly when the listing date is. But basically how you would get this token. If you don't have an Mexc Global account, first of all, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is just go right through that Mexc referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT. Then when it gets listed, go into the trade section, search REELT, and then simply just buy the token. So yes, this is a new project. It's being listed on Mexc. It says the Reel token is a blockchain utility token that underpins the Reelstar ecosystem. So they have a Twitter at Reelstar.io, and they also have a Twitter specifically about the token at Reel token. So the Reel token Twitter is verified, and they have 1,264 tweets, 28,800 Twitter followers, and the Reelstar one is also verified, has 10,600 Twitter followers. They have a full link tree available that you could check out. So the link tree has the Reel crypto website, which is realcrypto.io. Every time I say Reel, by the way, it's obviously spelled R-E-E-L. They have a Reelstar website if you want to see the whole project, Reelstar.io. Android beta version, iOS beta version for the apps you can download. And they have their Twitter on here as well. So all sorts of cool stuff there. Now, you have to verify that you are a human, of course. So, Reelstar, create, convert, connect. The first decentralized multi-blockchain and Web3 integrated platform with the functionality of live streaming, video sharing, peer-to-peer chat, audio, video calling, NFT minting, and marketplace, and digital wallet. So all sorts of utility on here. You can explore the Reel token if you want to as well. You can click on Reel Pay, which is their app. Secure peer-to-peer chat, audio, video, text. Earn Reel tokens while you watch Reelstar. So it's like they show you what the app interface looks like. It kind of looks like you're watching like a Instagram video or, any of these social media videos, TikTok, whatever. But you are earning tokens while doing so. One mobile app for everyone, one digital solution for everyone, limitless opportunities for all. Reelstar was designed from the ground up to be a community-focused global social media entertainment app which empowers users to create, share, and trade content with a worldwide audience. Mint your own NFTs. Convert any media content into an NFT with a single click. Trade crypto and NFTs in a single app. Securely and privately chat with P2P video, audio, text. Be safe, secure, and private using Reel Pay digital wallet. And earn Reel tokens while having fun using the Reelstar app. create, share, and monetize almost any type of media, videos, audios, graphics, books. And like I said, you could download the beta version. Current features with many more to come. So multiple NFT licensing and smart contract capabilities, ability to trade, lease, or rent NFTs, highly encrypted private in-app communication for video, audio, or text, in-app wallet functionality with multiple fiat and cryptocurrencies, ability to seamlessly transfer funds safely and securely, fiat or cryptocurrency, and access to integrated debit cards valid internationally. So the Reel token, the cryptocurrency solution for the media and entertainment industry, delivering cryptocurrency solutions to energize and invigorate the whole industry. So it says the token will be launching March 23rd. So maybe that is the exact date. It'll be listed on Mexc Global as well. So according to realcrypto.io, it says Reel token launch March 23rd. A Reel Group consortium has partnered to bulk from the ground up a platform and ecosystem that will revolutionize how artists, creators, and fans will engage, collaborate, and jointly benefit. A single everything app designed on a positive blockchain or private and secured platform where artists, creators, and fans can engage in an intuitive, easy, and seamless fashion. So they do have a full white paper on their page too as well. So it's on the Polygon chain and Binance Smart Chain. It's a multi-blockchain infrastructure, it says. This allows individuals with Reel token to efficiently, cost-effectively, and safely and securely hodl the Reel token, exchange them for either fiat or other cryptocurrencies, and use Reel token for discounted goods and services within the Reelstar app. So 3 key features: video sharing app, a high quality, super fast platform for everyone, NFT minting and NFT marketplace, create and trade your unique content, and Reel Pay, the app that I mentioned earlier, is a global payment solution, business and consumer fiat and cryptocurrencies. So it shows you what the app looks like, all sorts of information. You could read for a long time on these pages here. You could join the mailing list if you want to subscribe to a newsletter. There's a roadmap, there's frequently asked questions, socials, all sorts of stuff. Check it out. realcrypto.io or reelstar.io. Check out their socials. And yeah, check out that Mexc referral code down there if you don't have an account. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there and leave a comment. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.